This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Sirisha, you're there? Okay, fine. Let's talk about the joins today. Joins are very, very important. Even Tableau, even in interviews, most of the people ask how to get the different combination of the data. Join is nothing but a condition. Join is a condition that restrict the result set from the multiple tables. That restrict the data result set from the multiple tables. So if you want to bring the data from two different table, you want to get the data from two different tables, you need to make a join between the two tables. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to write a query here. Say, as I said, no, we have a employee table, department table, right? See here we have employee table. To get the data from table, we need to write a query, select the star from employee table, employees table. Okay, which you will get the first name, last name, and department ID, right? So I want to know the department name of 90. So normally we can write a query, select star from departments. If you run this query, what will happen? You will get the all the department. So which is the department 90 is the executive, right? Got it, guys? You're following me, right? So now say, can someone tell me Lex is belongs to which department? Is a Lex is here except Naveen? Except Naveen, others I want answer. The Lex is belongs to which department? Lex is
Department
the
ID 9.
90. Okay, and what is the department ID 90 name? Executive, right? Lex is belongs to executive, but I want to see the query. I want to write a query to get the data, right? So simple. Say first I want to see the output requirement is I want to display the output data is I want to display the first name, employee last name, and his salary, and is belongs to which department. Okay, to do that, simple. Select, first we need to write a query, select first name, comma, last name, and department name, right? We have to use the exact name. If you are not writing a proper name, then it will throw an error. Department underscore name, because I remember the column name, that's the reason I am writing here directly. See here, department name, right, from employees table. To run the query, what will happen? So can anyone tell me why we are getting error? Anyone? Why we are getting this error?
Department name is not present in the employee table. Belongs to department table.
Right. So because department name is there in employee table, but in from class I just selected the only the employee table, right? Then you have to use the departments table. Okay. Now run the query. You can see the data. So if you run the query, what is happening here? What you are getting here? See, look at here. I'm getting some different data, right? Because all the employees which is showing the administrator, all the employees which is showing the marketing, there is no condition we written because of we are not joined the table, because we did not join the table. That is the reason we are getting the wrong data. Whenever you are trying to get the data from multiple tables, you have to use the join. You have to create a join between the tables. Okay. Getting? So how to join it? Simple. Where implies, so we need to join with the department table, right? Sorry, employee table and department table. What is a common column in employee table and department table? Who can tell that? Which is the common column in employee table and department table?
Department ID.
Department ID is a common column. So department underscore ID equal to department underscore ID. We need to join with a common column between the table, right? So which table? So just giving the department will not be any make sense, right? So which, see, department ID, you have to use the table name. Implies dot equal to, so this is from department table. Departments dot department ID, right? Okay. This is how we need to make a join between the table. Now see that. First name, last name, and department name. Getting? This is how we can make a join between the tables. Getting? Okay. Do you guys understand now? So instead of writing this, we can write other method. Imply inner join. So imply inner join. This is equi join, inner join department. Where is not required. Inner join departments on. That's it. On. We need to write a condition like this. This is another method we can write. Inner join or equi join, both are same. So this is also inner join or equi join. Then if you run the query, you will get the same kind of data. So this is the actually the best method you can write a query to make a join between the table. Suppose, see, if you run this query department table, location ID is there. This department is belongs to which city? I want to see the city name, location name. Then we have another table called select from, just guys, give me a second. Anuj.
హలో
Yeah, Anuj, tell me. Yeah.
ఇది కాల్ చేశాడు అతను
Okay.
అది అతను అట్లా కాదు నేను చెప్పింది అని చెప్తున్నాడు
ఓకే, ఎట్లానంట ఒక 1 minute.
అతను
Yeah, sorry guys. So, so now I want to see the city table, city name, location. If you run a query, select stuff from location. This is a city. So I want to see the add the city here, comma city I added on the top of query. When you add a city, department name comma city, now run the query, what will happen? City is not there, right? Then we need to add the locations table. Okay. Then if you add the location, then we added the location, but we did not join the right. See, city name is showing not the correct actually. We'll see this. So we need to make a join again with a location table and department table. So we need to find out which is a common column between the department table or location table. So in case if you have a location ID in employee table, if you have a location ID in the employee table, we can join with the employee table with the location table. But we don't have the location ID, right? Then we need to join with the location and department table. Then we need to use and. Tell me someone, can someone tell me? Locations are
Department ID dot
departments,
ID dot
departments
location ID
dot,
equal to
yeah,
location ID
departments dot location ID equal to locate. Simple guys. So there is no complex here. Very simple. Locations dot, just a simple join. Okay. Location dot location ID. Okay. Now we can see the data. Okay. If you want to write the same query like this, simple. Then inner join location table on, again open bracket, close bracket, locations dot location ID equal to departments dot location ID. Departments dot location ID. Simple, right? We need to run this query. That's it. The same one, right? Okay. This is how we need to write a simple query, guys. Guys, can you just message me who are able to understand the joins? Yes or no? Everyone in the chat window, you guys can message me yes or no. The joins, whatever I explain, you are able to you are getting or not. Naveen, okay. I got message from Naveen. You're done. You're able to do that. I will ask questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. What about others? Only 3 members. I did not receive any update. No, Vasu, no. Good. Okay, Shravani 50 was okay. I will tell you guys. Simple. See, coming back, I have selected the select star from employees. In employee table, we have a department ID. Okay, Vasu, you can unmute yourself because since you are not understanding, so I want to make sure that so what you are not able to understand. So based on that I can help you. Okay, Vasu. So this you understand it. Select star from employees. This will give you the employees data, right? If you talk, I can understand. If you don't talk, I cannot understand what you are not able to understand. So ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, I can speak Telugu better. See, నాకు డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి 60 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. Okay. Suppose Alex is belongs to which department? Okay. Alex department ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? I'm asking question. Alex A department. Alexander is belongs to which department?
90s department.
Is it 90?
60, sir.
60.
60.
Alex department is 60, right?
60.
So now I want to know the name of this. I want to know this. Okay, then మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం 60 అని చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ 60 ఎక్కడ ఉంది డిపార్ట్మెంట్ టేబుల్కి వెళ్తున్నాం అంటే జాయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే అక్కడ మ్యాచ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఈ 60ని డిపార్ట్మెంట్కి వెళ్ళి సో 60 ఏంటి ఐటీ సో అలెగ్జాండర్ ఈజ్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఐటీ అని చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాం మాన్యువల్గా అంతేనా
ఓకే సార్
గెటింగ్ ఓకే
Yes,
నౌ
sir.
నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాను సింపుల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ కావాలి లాస్ట్ నేమ్ కావాలి అండ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్ కావాలి ఫ్రమ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ అండ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి విచ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇంటూ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్ రైట్ అందుకే సెలెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ తర్వాత 2 టేబుల్స్ యాడ్ చేశాను వేర్ సో నేను ఏం చేశాను ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్లో ఉన్న డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి ఎంత 60 అన్నాను ఓకే ఆ 60 ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్లో ఉన్న జస్ట్ ఫైండింగ్ అవుట్ ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ 60 ఓకే ఫైన్ సో నౌ ఆ 60ని మళ్ళీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ఉన్న డిపార్ట్మెంట్ టేబుల్ చూస్తున్నాను ఇది డిపార్ట్మెంట్ టేబుల్ దాంట్లో 60 ఏంటి ఐటీ రైట్ అదే కదా సో అది ఇది మ్యాచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఆ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్ యొక్క డేటా వచ్చేస్తుంది డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేస్తున్నాం సెలెక్ట్ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ నేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ వేర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడిని జాయిన్ చేశాను ఎంప్లాయీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ అ కామన్ కాలమ్ సో ఎంప్లాయీస్ డాట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డిపార్ట్మెంట్ డాట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడిని జాయిన్ చేశాను ఓకేనా ఇది అర్థమైందా నీకు ఓకే నౌ ఇప్పుడు we can see that if you execute it now I can get the data so Alexander his department is 60 equal to 60 that who is belongs to that IT right that's how we'll get that సింపుల్ ఇక్కడ ఏం లాజిక్ లేదు ఏది లేదు సో మాన్యువల్ గా చెక్ చేయడానికి బదులు మనము ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ చేసి ఒక చిన్న లాజిక్ రాస్తున్నాం అంతే స్మాల్ లాజిక్ జస్ట్ జాయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం దాన్ని జాయిన్ అంటారు దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ద ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వి జాయిన్ ఓకే సో దాన్ని we can write another way okay so దాన్ని మనం we can write another way that implies inner join then తర్వాత you need to write a departments on again join again if you want to join another table inner join location on another table like this okay getting
okay sir
this is what about the others
okay
okay perfect okay similarly if you want to join with other table you need to use the another column another table from again you need to make a join between the other table like this okay so if you use the equi join whatever the common column common data is there only will get only the common data okay let me just see Let me remove this. Okay, now run the query. So we'll get all the data. So if you see, if you use the inner join, only the common records will get. Say example, there is a one employee doesn't have any department. Okay, look at here. Kimberly Grante is the employee, but he is not belongs to any department. Is empty, right? Then, so empty record is there. So we are joined with the department ID. So there is no common. There is no common record. That means Kimberly Grant doesn't have any department. So when you use the equi join or inner join, will not get the Kimberly Grant data because the department number is not there. When department number is not there, only the matching record, whatever the department ID is there in employee table and department table, we will get only the matching records. But if there is no department, that employee is not coming. Okay, so if you see, we have only the 106 employees. But actually in employees table, we have a total 107 records. Look at here. Total 107 rows are there. But when you are making a join between the table, when you make an inner join or equi join, so you can have only the 106 because that Kimberly doesn't belongs to any department. Okay, if you still want to get the data, then we have to use the left outer join. How to use the left outer join. So now we'll get the Kimberly Grant data as well. See, 107 and Kimberly Grant, which is showing as an empty record. Where is that? It should be some empty. See, so whenever you use the left join, we will get all the records from the left side table. We'll get all the records from the left side table and matching records from the department table. That's how we'll get. Suppose I want to get all the departments even though there is no employee. Still I want to get that. Then you have to use the right outer join. You want to get all the data from department table, right side table, then you have to use the right outer join. So now we'll see, you will get all the employees data, all the department. Even a department doesn't have any employees, still I can see that. But when you use the equi join, will not get that because this department doesn't have any department ID in the department table. That number is not having in the employee table. That's the reason which we are seeing that total 120 records are there. Total 120 are there, right? Then full outer join. When you use the full outer join, we'll get all the data from both the table, matching and unmatching records. That means, see, in earlier when I use the right outer join, you will not get the Kimberly Grant here. Because all the data, when you use the right outer join, all the data will get from the department table, and whatever the department IDs are matching in employee table, only that employee's data will get. But when you use the full outer join, we'll get all the data from the department table and employee table, matching and unmatching records. Okay, clear everyone how to use the right outer join, left outer join, equi join? Any questions?
Will you repeat it again once?
Okay, about what? Which one?
About joint, not left joint or right joint.
All
Starting.
the joints starting
No,
from?
no. Yes.
Who's this? Sirisha?
Yes.
Okay. Basically, if you want to get a data from both the table, we need to make a join between the two tables. So join sort, here we have equi join, nothing but inner join or equi join, both are same. Right outer join, left outer join, full outer join, and self join. So we make a join between the table with the common columns. In employee table and department table, we have a common column is the department ID. So where employees dot is equal to department ID is equals to departments dot department ID. I made a join, right? This is the join condition between the common columns. Then when you run this query, you will get a only the matching records from the both the table. Okay, what happened? Invalid table name. What? Okay, here comma extra comma. Okay, here you will get a matching data when you use the equijoin. Even if you write in this format, you have to write like this inner join. It's the same, but normally we follow this second one. Okay, you can use the second format always. Inner join department table with a department head is a common. I used it, but common column should be there. If you want to join between the table, common column should be there always. Okay, got it. Then suppose I want to see, so when you use the inner join, only matching records will get. When you use the left outer join, you will get all the data from the left side table. That means Kimberley Grant data also will get. Okay, and when you use the right outer join, so you will get all the data from right side table, and whatever the matching department IDs are there, that all data will get. Simple. See, earlier when you use the left outer join, you will not see this. Now I can see that when you use the right outer join. So when you use the full outer join, we'll get all the data from right side table and left side table, and matching and unmatching records. Okay, got it now? So other way, I can tell you the simple way. I have employee table. Let's assume employee table. We have employee name and department ID. Okay, say employee name is Alex. This belongs to department ID 10. Nina. I'll ask question. Then you have to answer. 20. Okay. David 50. Nancy 80. Okay. This is employee table. And we have a DPT table. DPT have D name, department name. Okay. And DPT ID. DPT ID is 10 sales, 20 admin, 30 HR, 40 IT, 60. Okay, maybe make it 80. Okay. Maybe this is Now this is a table. Let's say I am created a join. Wait, just give me a second. Hello. Guys, so I am just using ename, select ename, dname from employee, inner join. Okay, inner join with the dept, right? Dept table on. So emp dot dept id equal to dept dot dept id. Correct. This is clear. I join the table. How to join the table? So I want to see the ename and dname from here. Employee table is, this is employee table, this is the department table. Inner join with the department table on employee table. dept id is common. These are the two column common. I joined it. So guys, tell me what is the output data we'll get. For this query, what is the output data? Alex will get.
Alex,
What is that?
Nina.
Alex,
Then
sales.
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 Okay. Then
Nina.
Nancy.
David.
Nina,
Nancy account.
which one will get?
Nancy.
Next,
Nancy 80. Nancy account.
Nancy and account.
Account.
Anything else?
No, sir.
That's it.
No. No, right? Now you guys understand, right? Because only the 10 is a common column and 8 is a common column. Only that data will get. Okay. Now user will ask, I want to see all the data from employee table. Then you have to use the left auto join. Okay, now what is the data we'll get? Alex will get sales. Good. And then I just want to know, get the data inputs from the ladies. Alex, okay. Next, when you use the right auto join, we'll get all the data from right side. Sorry, when you use the left auto join, we'll get all the data from left side table. And matching records from the right side table. So Nina also will get, but Nina 20 is not there, but still will get because I'm using the left auto join. Then David will get no employee, no department. Nancy will get, so his accounts like this will get. Okay, getting. So when you use the right auto join, so what data will get, guys?
Sales, HR, right?
No, we need to have a some proper column, right? So E name is there and D name is there, right? Okay, here what will get? Alex will get. Then sales. Then 30 there is no employee. HR will get. And 40 there is no employee. IT data will get.
Admin.
Getting? Yeah. And empty, right? Oh, sorry.
Admin account. Next.
Okay, empty admin. Fine. Just account.
Nancy
That's
account.
it.
Nancy
Nancy
account.
account. Good. Like this way we'll get. Okay. That's how right auto join. Now if I use the full auto join, so if I'm using the full auto join, then guys tell me. Anyone can tell me now. D name is there and D name is there. Okay. D name.
Rename
Alex
Alex,
will get
Nina,
Alex.
David, Nancy.
Alex and
Sales.
department name sales.
Sales.
Okay. Next row.
And
Nina.
Nina,
Dina.
HR.
Nina.
H.
Nina HR. Nina is belongs to HR or what? Huh?
My no sir. Empty.
Empty. Nothing, right? Nina is not belongs to anything.
yes.
Then next,
David, nothing.
Empty.
empty, right? Empty. Then
HR.
Nancy account.
HR. HR. Then empty.
Nancy.
Empty. IT.
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 This is how you guys have to know that.
David.
Okay.
David.
David. Then
Empty.
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 empty. Correct. Nancy.
Empty.
Account.
Accounts.
Account.
Nancy is
No.
belongs to 80, right? Yeah. Okay.
Admin.
This is how
Admin is
admin is missing. Yeah. Admin without any record. Right. Got it, guys?
yes.
So you have to remember all these things, guys. In the interviews, most of the questions they are asking, right? Any questions here? Fine. So in a Tableau also, we have a different type of joins. Just to try to open, guys, how to use this in a Tableau without writing any line of the code. So to activate the license key, who are received it, you can just activate like this. Sirisha, have you activated your license key? Hello.
No, I didn't.
How to do that, you know? So
I don't
simple.
know.
Once you open like this, you can go here. If it is already expired, it will ask you to activate it. You can activate it. Okay. If it is not expired, you have to go. Is your license key expired? If you try to open and do practice, then only it is you are able to understand. If you're not practicing, it's a very difficult to understand because this is tool based. It's not theoretical, right? If you open every day tool, how that works, then only you can. It is easy to understand you. and it is a very simple again. It's not very much complex. Anyone, even fifth standard people also can do. Even fourth standard people also can do this if you follow my instructions. Simple. I'm just try to open it. What you are getting when you open a Tableau, Sirisha?
It's asking for credentials and trial.
No, credentials will not ask. When you open it, what message you are getting?
I didn't open it now.
Okay, you did not open it. Okay, fine. So what you can do, are you in the same system now?
No.
No.
No, you are not in the same system. Okay. Now, if you are in the same system, I can help you here directly. That's okay. So what you can do, when you open it, there is some activate key. You will get a message. Click on activate. Activate with the product key. Click on activate with the product key. Okay. Then enter the key which I shared with you. Even I just installed my another laptop. Okay. So the one which I shared with you, you can try the same. Even I am also trying the same. Like this way you can enter the key. Okay, fine. So anyway, I'm just using the trial version only. Then I want to connect to the Oracle database. Click on Oracle, and you have a different data sources here. When you click on more, you will have a different data sources. I'm using the Oracle database, right? Maybe if you don't find, you can search for that, you will get it. But yeah, here it is. I can see that Oracle. Then enter the username is, server name is localhost, service name is XE. This all we already configured in your system, guys. Maybe if you're not configured, then you try to go through the recorded session and try to install it. Click on sign in.
In the project, we will get all the details like server and all the things.
Correct. Yeah. In a real-time project, so you will get it from the team, your database team. You will get the server details, because we know that. So we have only installed Oracle, then we know all the server details and the username password. But when you are working with the project, they provide the username, password, and server details. Then
The
I'm
product
going to
key is used
use
for
the
only one system, right?
yeah, 3 people can use one ID, one
Oh,
license key.
okay.
So in a real time, you will get only one license key that can be used one person only. When you are working with the project, the project team is going to share with you. Initially, you are going to install the uh, trial version. Then you are going to activate it. How to activate the license key? Go here, help. Click on manage product key. Just enter it. Click here, activate. Activate with the product key. Then you need to enter it. That's it. Okay. Don't use the second option. Don't use this. Use the first one.
Okay.
Fine. So then I'm going to add the employee table, drag and drop here. But I want to see the department name also, right? If you don't want to display, just click here. It will go away. Employees table, and take the department table. So to join the table, you need to click on open and add the department table. And here you need to make a join. This employee table, manager table, don't use this. Okay, let me remove this. Automatically it will create a join between the two table with a common column, but you can join also manually. This is employee table. In employee table, select the department ID. Here is the right hand side, we have a department table. Under that, choose the department ID in the department table. Simple. That's it. This is how we can make a join. So this is the inner join, right? When you use the inner join, what will happen? Only whatever the department IDs are common, only that data will get. See, now I can see employee first name without writing any line of the code. I can see the data, right? And department name and salary. Here I'm in Tableau. We are not writing a query. So that's how the Tableau is used, right? So where we can visualize the data without writing any line of the code, single line of the SQL. Okay. See, now I don't see the any employee without any department, right? Because I'm using the equijoin. If I want to see, when you look at here, I don't see any department without any employee, right? See, but when you use the right auto join, right, that means when you use the right auto join, we'll get all the data from right side table. So now you'll see that there is a department without any employee. You will get all the data from the department table and matching records from the employee table. And when you use the right auto join, left auto join, so now you will get a Kimberley grant as well, which is doesn't have any department. There is a Kimberley without any. Where is that? Yeah, here it is. See, Kimberley null without any department. No, without any is null, right? And you can use the full auto join. So matching department, all the employees, and matching and unmatching records. See that department, no employees, and there is an employee without any employee, without any department. All employee and department, all the data. This is how you'll get all the records. Okay, fine. So, but as a Tableau developer, so normally we always use the equijoin. Don't use the right or left auto join. When you use the left or right auto join or full auto join, it degrades the performance of the report. Report performance will impact. It will go very slow. It will run very slow. That's the reason we don't use that. Okay, fine. Got it? Okay. So that's all today. And we'll talk about the tomorrow self-join and continue with our Tableau part.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what is the difference between the relationship and joins?
Relationship and join. Both are same.
Both are same.
Relationship is nothing but a join. You are joining the table with a common column, right? Is nothing but a relationship. Okay, with a common column. Here we need to have a common column to make a join between the table. But relationship something in Tableau without common column. That means even somehow department ID is there here, but department number is there in another table. So our department name is there. Another table we have a department name, D name is there. So instead of the unique numbers, primary key, foreign key relationship which we are joining, or we can prepare a relationship with a common column which is a department name also. So that is nothing but a relationship. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Where do you see that?
Okay.
Almost same. It's almost equal. Okay. Here you can see. Okay. So maybe you find here who asked this question.
Sir, me, Sai Kumar.
Sorry. Okay, I'll tell you something. Open it. I am removing it here. Okay, now I am going to have the department table. Sorry. Okay, now close this. So I'm going to use the department name here. Make a join or something not coming. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll explain this. Okay. Even this is a newly added. Even we never use this. Let me just go through once and I will help you out, guys. Something not coming.
Keeping the arrow on the red one
Okay.
shows the
Yeah.
error.
Yeah. Here you can select the department ID from here, and here you can select the department ID. Update now. Okay. Here you can see the data, right? This is something where you don't find any right auto join, left auto join, right? So what happened when you join it? So let's see the data now. So it is taking only the equi-join, right? It's taking as a only the equi-join. Whatever the common data is there, only that data which is getting when you make a relationship. Just relationship. No, right auto join, left auto join, all these things. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, when you click here, you'll get that relationship. When you open it here, and you can define it here. Department ID and employee ID. So common column. Even suppose in employee table we have a department table, we have a department name. Then you can use the department name also. But normally whenever you make a join, right, where you need to have a unique ID, where example department ID is a unique ID, right? But here we can join, we can make a relation between the even the different data sources also. Maybe one with Oracle, one from SQL Server, right? You can add it here and you can select the common columns irrespective of the unique numbers, primary key, foreign key relationship. Even we don't require primary key, foreign key relationship to make a relationship. Just common column is required. Either it is a department name or it is a first name or last name, you can do that. But whereas normally when you use the join, where you are going to use the unique number, it's a more like numbers we are going to join it, like department ID, location ID, city ID, like that. Fine. But there is no option to make a left or right auto join here. So where we can just use the, it works like a right or left full, sorry, equi join. It works like a equi join.
Madhukarji,
Fine. Yeah.
it is something like that. Last in the interview, I went through that, gone through that interview. That one they asked
Okay.
something like, if you have two tables and there is no relationship between the, when there is no common column between two tables, then how can you get that data from two tables? Means maybe we are using the relationship, something like that.
Yeah. 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 There is concept of relationship, uh, but still, if you make a relationship, also still you should have the common column.
Uh, okay.
Suppose in employee table, department table, we don't have the department name number. Then how you'll get it? This employee belongs to which department? How will get?
My
At
sense,
least
I'm not, yeah, I'm not saying in that manner. Something like that. I have a column, like a date column in this one, and date column is that in that one. So I can make the relationship even though there is no common data is there.
correct. Correct. That's
Something
how
like
we
that.
can make a relationship. Yeah. even though
Yeah.
without common data, but at least one common column is required.
Column is required.
Yeah, even you define the relationship or you are going to make a join, but relationship you can have any column, any common column, either it is a string, either it is a number, anything. Okay, but whereas the joins you have a proper relationship.
Like primary,
Okay,
foreign key.
primary key, foreign key relationship should be there in the joins. Okay, but ultimately it's almost same, I can say.
And one more small thing. Yesterday I just tried this one. Like I want the first name. In the first name, first character should be between some range, like A to S. If the first letter is from A or B or C or D, something like that, A to S. If I try with the brackets, but I'm not getting that one. You have any idea on that
First
one?
name, okay.
The SQL, in the
What do you
SQL,
mean
not
to
in this.
say? In SQL you're talking about?
Yeah, I mean SQL I'm talking. In Tableau also the same thing. If we got in SQL, maybe we'll work in this. We'll try in this.
Okay, so I'm just,
The person
you are
employee
trying
first name
to
like yeah, from first name like
first
I
name
think select
like,
star, not select star, from select first name like where first name like yeah,
okay,
where
where
first
first
name
name
like
like,
suppose brackets we have to give not that one yeah, a
start with
percentage
A
we
letter.
give a letter. So no, I want this make it as a range. That first character should be in the range like A to S or A to E. That means the first character should be start with A or B or E or D, something like that. If anything is coming, that range will be there. I saw in that one in that W3 schools, but when I try in
Okay,
the SQL, I'm not getting that one. I mean Oracle SQL.
okay, yeah, okay, let me just see W3 schools. Okay, do you know exactly where is that?
It's like wildcard. Can you go to wildcard? Oh,
Yeah,
something like wildcard. Can you come down? Yeah. If you go up, you see. Yeah, come.
this is directly
Back.
ES, like ES.
Yeah, but this is what my requirement is. My requirement is like if we give brackets, it is there actually in the table. Can you go up little bit? Wildcard something using the wildcard. Can you come down? Or, I'm not exactly sure where it is. Go. Mm, Starting anything is there.
Something is there, LNON is something is there.
Yeah, see here BSP is there, right? And the last one, last example, BSP.
Okay,
That means any one of the character it will take, or A to C means A, B, C it will take. Uh, Last two. Now you selected right on the screen. We have
okay,
two examples.
BSP,
Yeah,
okay,
these two
like
examples I tried,
BSP.
but I'm not getting in the Oracle SQL. We have to give first brackets.
Let's see, not sure about this, but let's see. No data found.
You make it as a lawyer. That first name as a lawyer of first name, maybe,
Ah, that
or
won't be
make
a problem.
because it's case sensitive. While fetching the data, it is asking
Uh,
case sensitive.
Capital letter. You're talking about capital letter.
Capital A, capital G, within the brackets. No. I think that's wrong. No.
Oh, sorry.
Hmm. Yeah, no percentage.
No.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I think it won't work in the Oracle.
Yeah.
SQL.
There are some. I told no. Some
Yeah.
few things will not work.
But how to get it in the Oracle is the I'm not getting it. I just tried and Google it, but didn't get exactly how it
Wildcard
works.
range in Oracle. Hmm. You just try like this only. Range, I never seen this. I never tried also. Let me see.
I think something in this one there. Is that correct?
Yeah. Stephen.
Okay, we have to give both the things. Maybe both the brackets we have to give.
Where like last name, comma. No.
Oh, yeah.
Last name is something. Okay, not sure. Basically, okay. I'll check
Okay.
if I find anything.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. And one more thing, what I observed is when I try for self join,
Mhm.
I think in the self join, Elias is not working in the Oracle. Can you try any Elias here?
Yeah, self-gen I will explain tomorrow. We are ready to discuss, right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah, right. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll talk about self-gen tomorrow session.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thanks all guys. Please do practice more about SQL queries. Thank you
Okay.
all. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.